I recently changed my whole skincare routine, morning and night, and I want to talk about it today. I'm using new products. They're not new, they're new to me. Dr. Dennis Gross, and I'm really loving it. Hi, I'm Alice Shapiro. I'm the owner of 2 Woodhouse spas, and this is the Spa Runner channel where I cover topics such as health, wellness, and beauty. As you can see, I really don't have any makeup right now. The only makeup I have is a little bit on my lip, on my eyebrow, and my eyelashes. There is absolutely nothing on my face. And I'm 48. Wow! I'm going to be 49 soon, and I think my face looks a few years younger than my 48, 49-year-old age. So how do I get this skin to look so good? I want to say also, I don't do any injectable. I've never done even once. And I don't do any laser treatments. Like the most, I guess, extensive facial that I get is a HydraFacial. And I wish I would be getting it at least once a month, but I don't get them so often. I should, because we have HydraFacial at the Woodhouse spas. And I highly suggest that you try it at least once. You will see a huge difference in your skin. And I made a video where I talk just about that HydraFacial treatment, so watch that here. Let's start with my new skincare routine. Some products I didn't change because I still had a lot left, and I will change them to Dr. Dennis Gross just because I want to try all the products that we sell. I want to try myself. But for now, my cleanser is green tea milk wash. If you watch my videos, you know I love this cleanser. It cleans your makeup really well, including eye makeup. So this is my night cleanser and some morning cleanser. So I will specify day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 based on skin cycling concept. If you don't know what skin cycling is, watch this video here. It's basically, just to quickly tell you, it's a 4-day cycle. On the first day you do AHA kind of peel, day 2 you do retinol, day 3 and day 4 you let your skin rest. This is my evening cleanser for day 1 through 4. Because I usually wear a little bit of a makeup, so I use it to remove. And on day 1 and day 2 morning, I also cleanse with that cleanser. So like I said, day 1 is when you're going to do your peel. So morning skincare routine for day 1, I'm going to use a gentle cleanser. And gentle cleanser is this green tea milk wash. You can also use any other gentle cleanser. SkinCeuticals has a gentle cleanser. It's called SkinCeuticals Gentle Cleanser. Babor has high oil cleansing system, so any one of these would be good. So day 1, morning this. Every morning, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, we are going to use vitamin C. And Dr. Dennis Gross has this 15% vitamin C firm and bright serum. The reason I like this serum, it's a little bit less expensive than the other SkinCeuticals Phloretin CF serum that I use. This is a little bit less expensive, so for those on a budget, this is a good vitamin C serum. I will tell you if I like this more or SkinCeuticals more after I use it for a month, but for those on a budget, I think it's a good option because it has 15% vitamin C. I like the bottle too, it's orange. Next, there is this, it's new product from Dr. Dennis Gross. It's called DermInfusions Fill and Repair Serum. So the way I use it, I apply it on any area of where I may have wrinkles, and then after I apply it to that area, I let it sit a little bit, and then I distribute it all over. So this is next, after vitamin C, this is the next serum that I use. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 in the morning. And I can't tell you enough about this moisturizer. I love it. It's probably going to be my favorite moisturizer from anything that I ever told you about. This is my favorite so far. It's called Dewy Deep Cream. It has vitamin C and lactic acid. It makes your face bright, hydrated, smooth. Really love it. So that's day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 moisturizer. Every morning. You guys, if you follow me, you know how much I talk about SPF. SPF is super important. So every morning, and then you reapply. I sometimes get lazy and don't reapply, but I'm paying for it with some hyperpigmentation in my skin. If you don't want to have hyperpigmentation, reapply your vitamin C a couple of times during the day. This is all physical, lightweight, wrinkle defense, broad spectrum sunscreen SPF 30. It's zinc oxide, 16%. It spreads very easily. It doesn't leave that white film that most physical SPFs leave. It's good for any color skin, because black skin sometimes with physical doesn't work well. And I think, I can't remember right now, but we will put on the screen when I finish recording. I think this also has hyaluronic acid, so also good for your skin. So that's my mornings. Morning is pretty much the same every day, with the exceptions of when I don't use exfoliants at night. The next day I may sometimes use the SkinCeuticals cleanser. It's clarifying exfoliating cleanser. It has salicylic acid. It's good for acne skin. It's also good for anti-aging. It just has that scrubby feel, so like it feels like a scrub. So when I don't exfoliate the night before, I will exfoliate with this in the morning, just to give me myself a little more bright looking skin. Are we good with morning? I think we're good with the morning. So now let's start with the evening. Evening will vary from depending on day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 cycle. So on day 1 we are going to use a peel, and Dr. Dennis Gross has different strengths peels. I got ultra gentle, and I suggest when you start with the peel, always start with gentle first, regardless if you have sensitive or not sensitive skin. When you acclimate your skin to it, go to the next strength then. Don't go to the most strong peel right away. And I don't remember it now, but I think they have 3 different strengths. I think they have ultra gentle, they have normal, then they have more aggressive one. So I bought these. I really like them. They're easy to use. These are little tailets. There are 2 of them. So you open one, use it on your face to wipe your face, then you wait 2 minutes, and then you use the second one, and this second one makes the peel stop working, because if you leave the peel on your face and it keeps working on your face, you're going to end up with dry, flaky skin. So you want this step 1, step 2, you want to exfoliate, you want it to work for 2 minutes, and then you want to take it off. So this is day 1. Of course, you are going to use it after you wash your face with a gentle cleanser. And then you're going to use your serum. You can use this serum, the one that I talked about filling in the lines. You can use any other serum, hyaluronic acid serum that will give the moisture. And then you use your moisturizer, the same moisturizer we use in the morning, vitamin C and lactic acid. Day 2, instead of using this peel, we're going to use retinol. So after we wash our face with a gentle cleanser, we're going to use retinol. And Dr. Dennis Gross has advanced retinol and Ferulic overnight wrinkle treatment. I made a video on how to start using retinol that you can watch here. Some people do experience dry and flaky skin, but if you do experience that, it's either the retinol you're using is too strong, or you're using it too often, or you don't moisturize your skin before and after. So if you have sensitive skin, or if you're not experienced retinol user, do use some sort of moisturizer before you apply retinol. Your retinol will still work, but it will not flake your skin. And then, of course, after you apply your retinol, wait a few minutes and apply moisturizer on top. So that's your day 2. Day 3, we are going to cleanse our face with a gentle cleanser. We're going to apply a moisturizer, or if you have an overnight treatment mask, apply that instead, the one that will give you the moisture. And again, you can use any serum before your moisturizer. Eye cream, don't forget eye cream. I use the same eye cream morning and night. This is a new one that I am trying out. It's from SkinFix. It's called Lipid-Boost 360 Degrees Eye. The reason I like it because you can apply it on the lid. Not all products can be applied on the lid because heavy products will actually make your skin look heavy and more stretched out. So far so good. I do like this product. I don't know if it's the best out of all the eye creams I ever tried, but it doesn't irritate. The number 1 thing for me, it doesn't irritate the skin, and it doesn't. And number 2, it does moisturize properly, and this one definitely does. One other product that I want to talk about, it's not from Dr. Dennis Gross, but don't forget your lips. I have this treatment that I use on my lips daily. It's called Lawless Forget the Filler Overnight Lip-Plumping Mask. So it goes on your lips. It's a little bit sticky. I'm not sure if it gives you plumpness. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't, but definitely keeps my lips moisturized overnight. So I think I told you everything about my skincare routine. If you have any comments or if you want me to cover any other topics, please comment below. Any of these products that I talked about can be purchased at the Woodhouse Day Spa, Montclair for Dr. Dennis Gross. All the other products we sell in Hoboken as well. These two are not sold, these I just bought on Sephora. So comment below with any questions if you want me to cover any other topic on any other skincare question. And watch this video next on your skincare routine.